is Michaela and I've been calling Australia home for almost 3 years now, and I'm excited to share my story and the amazing experiences I've had along the way. Okay, so when I got here, first few weeks, it wasn't really that hard to look for a job. For me kasi my partner came here before me, so nauna siya, sumunod ako. And siya yung tumulong sa akin na maghanap ng job. But, it's hard in a way kasi wala akong experience sa Philippines. Wala akong experience back home. So, ang ginawa ko dito for few weeks, nagtrabaho pero walang sahod kasi I'm still learning. I'm still training, ganyan. So, hindi pa ako pwede mag-start. Tapos, babayaran nila ako. So, few weeks ang hirap kasi wala kang sahod, wala kang kinikita. Wala akong kinikita. Tapos, nagsa-study ako. So, my experience as an international student, masaya naman mag-aral dito. Ayun, parang, siya, 2 days a week kami nag-aaral noon. Monday and Tuesday. So, magsa-start kami ng 9, matatapos, it depends sa trainer. Matatapos kami 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Tapos, after, pwede mong gawin yung mga assessments mo sa bahay. Depende sa trainer talaga, sa bahay or sa school. Depende rin sa'yo. Ang maganda dun is nakafocus lang siya sa course mo mismo. Unlike sa Philippines na ang dami mong pag-aaralan na hindi naman related sa gusto mong kunin na course. Ganun siya dito. Okay, tsaka mababait yung mga trainer. Talagang ipupush kanila, tuturuan kanila, hands-on sila. Mostly, ang ginagawa namin before, para matutunan talaga kung paano mo na siya i-apply in real job, is mag-roleplay kami, role-playing, ganyan. Uso yun dito. During my first year of studying, it wasn't that easy because back home in the Philippines, yung course ko is yung Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, and I'm an undergraduate there. So ngayon, when I got here, I took the course, Certificate 4 in Aging Support. It's really different, no? So I'm very familiar kasi magkaiba talaga sila. And for my second year, I took Leadership and Management. So, ayun, the visa that I'm holding now, it's called TSS visa or Temporary Shortage Visa. Ang kinagandahan naman ng visa na to is mag-work ka sa facility full-time, so wala ka ng limit, ganyan. 76 hours per fortnight minimum yun So, ayan, pwede ka pa mag-add ng hours if you want to work more, ganyan. Pero ngayon, mas maluwag na sa amin mas maganda kasi yun, we get to enjoy Australia, ganyan, magta-travel, ganun, yun ang maganda sa visa namin ngayon. And advice ko lang is for you to have initiative when you get here kasi hindi siya magiging madali. So, if you wanna go study abroad, dapat malakas talaga yung loob mo and nakikita nila na kung gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo. You get there. Yun lang. Thank you for listening to my story. And if you have any questions, just hit me up or just message Gateway Bridge Educational Consultant. Yun lang naman. Thank you so much. See ya.